Welcome to our comprehensive guide on breeding goats for maximum reproduction and faster profits. Goat farming offers immense opportunities for profitability, whether you're raising goats for milk, meat, or breeding stock. But to truly make your efforts worthwhile, understanding goat reproduction and how to optimize it is key. Efficient breeding ensures a faster growing herd, better quality offspring, and ultimately, higher profits. In this guide, you'll learn expert techniques and strategies to maximize goat reproduction while keeping your herd healthy and productive. Section 1. Understanding goat breeding basics. Before diving into advanced techniques, it's important to grasp the fundamentals of goat reproduction. Here's a breakdown. 1. The goat reproductive cycle. Goats are typically seasonal breeders, with their cycles influenced by the amount of daylight. Most goats come into heat during the fall, although certain breeds, like Boer goats, are capable of breeding year-round. Each cycle lasts about 18 to 21 days, with heat, estrus, lasting 12 to 36 hours. 2. Signs of estrus, heat, indas. Knowing when a doe is in heat is critical for successful breeding. Common signs include increased tail wagging, known as flagging, frequent bleeding, restlessness and pacing, seeking attention from bucks. 3. Choosing the right breeding bucks. A strong breeding program starts with selecting high-quality bucks. Look for bucks with traits such as excellent growth rates, strong immunity and resistance to disease, good body conformation, a history of high fertility. Section 2. Preparing your herd for breeding. Preparation is essential for ensuring a successful breeding season. Follow these steps to prepare your herd. 1. Health and fertility checks. Schedule a veterinarian visit to ensure all breeding animals are healthy. Check for reproductive health issues, e.g., uterine infections or low sperm count, parasite infestations, nutritional deficiencies. 2. Proper nutrition. Nutrition plays a key role in fertility. Provide a balanced diet rich in high-quality forage or hay, grains for extra energy, in moderation, mineral supplements, particularly those containing selenium and copper, which are crucial for reproduction. 3. Body condition scoring, BCS. A doe's body condition can greatly influence her fertility. Aim for a BCS between 2.5 and 3.5 on a 5-point scale. Bucks should also maintain a healthy weight to ensure high fertility. 4. Vaccinations and deworming. Vaccinate does and bucks against diseases that could impact reproduction or pregnancy, such as chlamydia, enzootic abortion of ewes, leptospirosis, Clostridium perfringens, CDT. Also, manage internal and external parasites by deworming as needed. Section 3. Advanced breeding strategies. Once the basics are covered, implement advanced techniques to further improve reproductive rates. 1. Artificial insemination, AI. AI allows farmers to introduce superior genetics without the need to purchase in-house bucks. This technique requires careful timing to align with a doe's heat cycle. 2. Controlled breeding. Controlled breeding methods include hand mating, introducing a specific doe to a specific buck under supervision, pen mating, keeping one buck in a pen with several does during the breeding season. These methods allow for better record keeping and genetic management. 3. Estrus synchronization. Synchronizing the estrus cycles of multiple does makes breeding management more efficient. Hormonal treatments can help achieve this. 4. Selective breeding. Focus on pairing bucks and does with desirable traits. Over time, selective breeding can improve the quality of your herd, whether your goal is higher milk yield, better meat production, or disease resistance. Section 4. Ensuring successful pregnancies and kidding. Efficient goat breeding doesn't end with conception. The next step is ensuring a smooth pregnancy and kidding process. 1. Pregnancy diagnosis. Use methods such as ultrasound or blood tests to confirm pregnancy early on. Early detection helps you provide better care for pregnant does. 2. Nutritional needs during pregnancy. Adjust the diet of pregnant does to meet their increased energy and mineral requirements, especially in the last trimester. 3. Prepare for kidding. Create a clean, safe kidding environment. Essential supplies include clean towels, lubricants and gloves, iodine for disinfecting umbilical cords. 4. Colostrum management. Ensure newborn kids receive colostrum within the first 12 hours after birth. Colostrum is essential for building their immune system. Section 5. Increasing reproductive efficiency. To maximize profits, it's vital to focus on increasing herd productivity. Here's how. 1. Shortening breeding intervals. Certain goat breeds can produce kids more than once a year if managed correctly. Introduce accelerated breeding programs to increase kidding frequency. 2. Crossbreeding. Crossbreeding can result in hybrid vigor, producing offspring that grow faster, are more disease-resistant, or have higher milk yields. 3. Kid management. Improving kid survival rates directly impacts profitability. Ensure adequate nutrition, vaccinations, and parasite management. 4. Data and record keeping. Maintain detailed records of breeding dates, kidding outcomes, growth rates of kids. This data helps identify trends and areas for improvement. Section 6. Common challenges and solutions. Breeding goats isn't without its challenges. Here are solutions to common issues. 1. Low conception rates. Causes, poor nutrition. Health problems in does or bucks. Solutions. Address dietary deficiencies. Conduct health checks and treat infections promptly. 2. Kid mortality. Causes, poor birthing conditions. Inadequate colostrum intake. Solutions. Monitor this closely during labor. Ensure kids receive colostrum immediately after birth. 3. Inbreeding. Avoid inbreeding by maintaining a diverse genetic pool. Regularly introduce new bucks into your herd. 4. Market challenges. Stay informed about market trends and adjust your breeding goals to meet demand. For example, focus on milk production if dairy products are in high demand. Section 7. Strategies for profit maximization. Pair effective breeding with smart business practices to maximize your profits. 1. Diversify income streams. Explore other goat-related revenue opportunities, such as selling goat milk, cheese, or yogurt. Offering stud services for your high-quality bucks. Selling manure as fertilizer. 2. Optimize marketing. Leverage social media and community events to promote your products and services. Build a strong brand around your farm. 3. Reduce costs. Reduce costs by improving feed efficiency, preventing diseases through proactive care, sharing equipment or resources with neighboring farms. 4. Build relationships. Network with local farmers and businesses to find new markets and collaborate on breeding or marketing initiatives. Conclusion. Breeding goats for success. Efficient breeding practices are the cornerstone of a successful and profitable goat farming venture. By implementing the tips and strategies outlined in this guide, you'll be well on your way to achieving maximum reproduction and faster profits. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to long-term success. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into goat farming. Thanks for watching, and happy farming!